This video shows you how to measure the focal length of a biconvex lens. You'll notice that I've got a ray box set up with 3 parallel rays of light emerging from the ray box. I have now placed the biconvex lens in the path of the rays of light. You'll notice that the rays of light are now converging. The next step is for me to pick up a pen and to make some markings showing where the rays of light emerge from the ray box, where the rays of light first enter the lens, where they exit the lens, where they converge, and also I want to trace over the outline of the lens as well. I can now remove the ray box. This is a diagram that I'm left with. What I can now do is to use a ruler to trace over all the lines. Okay, you can see that I've now traced the rays of light. The other thing that I'm going to do is I've got a ruler set up and I'm going to draw a line that goes straight down the middle of the lens. I'm now ready to make my measurement. The focal length in this case is the distance between the midpoint of the lens and the point at which all the rays of light meet together. Now in this case that measurement works out to be about 5.8 centimeters.